Today we are solving inequalities with OR, compound inequalities. So we have an OR statement, which means the graph should be going in opposite directions. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead and solve it by subtracting 5 from both sides. So we have negative 3n is greater than negative 15. Divide by negative 3. And remember, because we are dividing by a negative, we have to flip the sign. We have n is less than 5. Over on the other side, we are going to add 5 to both sides. We have 5n is greater than 40. Divide by 5, n is greater than 8. So we have our inequality statement, which is n is less than 5 or n is greater than 8. Then our graph, we have a 5 and an 8. And if it's less than 5, it's open, going to the left. If it's greater than 8, it's open and going to the right. Here's another problem. Negative 9x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 16, or x plus 3 is greater than 7. So go ahead and subtract 7. Negative 9x is greater than or equal to 9. Divide by negative 9. Remember to flip that sign. X is less than or equal to negative 1. Subtract 3. X is greater than 4. So you have x is less than or equal to negative 1, or x is greater than 4. And then you have negative 1, 4, closed circle on negative 1, open circle on 4. Last practice problem, we're going to add 5 to both sides. You have 4n is greater than or equal to 16. Divide by 4. N is greater than or equal to 4. Subtract 9. And we have negative 8n is greater than or equal to 16. Divide by negative 8. Flip that sign. N is less than or equal to negative 2. So remember, when we write this out, we're going to be putting this on this side. So we have n is greater than or equal to negative 2, or n is greater than or equal to 4. Negative 2 and 4. Close it up. And opposite direction. On the next page, you'll have the 3 problems we did for homework. These are the 3 problems that we did for homework.